Whitram, a unique educational establishment designed to create the billionaires, leaders, and masterminds of the future. It's also the place where the genius Ayanokoji grew up. But can we train ourselves to achieve the same level of excellence as Whitram students? The answer is yes. To do so, we need to uncover the secrets of Whitram. What critical methods do they use to train individuals like Ayanokoji? How do they create such remarkable minds? This video will be divided into 5 key sections, each teaching you how to train yourself like a Whitram student. The pain threshold is an ultimate state where enduring immense discomfort leads to significant growth. You've likely heard celebrities like Elon Musk and Kobe Bryant mention this concept. But how does enduring pain make you stronger? Consider this example. A 21-year-old who spends all day gaming is suddenly put in a tough situation, like facing street thugs. The outcome wouldn't favor him. Now imagine someone who works out intensely every day, pushing their limits and enduring pain. In the same situation, their response would likely be much more effective. To increase your pain tolerance, step out of your comfort zone. Push yourself, go outside and talk to strangers. Try new things, spend an extra hour at the gym. Pain isn't your enemy, laziness is. Most people give up at the first sign of difficulty. If you want success, you must embrace pain and let it shape you. To achieve greatness, sacrifices are necessary. You might think there's nothing to give up, but there is. Sacrifice the distractions. Stop scrolling endlessly on Instagram. Limit your anime binge watching. Replace mindless habits with reading or skill building. Our modern world is designed to weaken and distract us. These distractions profit off your attention while steering you toward mediocrity. Reject them. Focus on what truly matters and eliminate everything else that holds you back. Whitram trains its students to think like winners. They foster a win-to-survive mentality. In life, competition is everywhere. In school, you compete with classmates. In business, you compete with companies. Right now, as you watch this, someone else might be grinding hard to surpass you. To stay ahead, outwork the competition. If someone practices chess for 4 hours daily, double it. Practice for 8. Your efforts will define your results. Cultivate a mindset where failure isn't an option and success becomes inevitable. Whitram designs environments to prevent distractions. For instance, they use rooms devoid of all colors, just white, to enhance focus. The issue today is that most people can't concentrate for even an hour. How can you fix this? Turn off your phone or activate focus mode during work. Avoid procrastination by meditating to strengthen your concentration. Dive deeply into the task at hand. Our brains release acetylcholine, a neurochemical that sharpens focus when we intensely think about something. Engage deeply in your tasks and train your brain to maintain unwavering attention. At Whitram, students learn everything necessary to navigate the complexities of life. Continuous learning ensures they're prepared for any challenge. What should you learn? Anything that builds value, chess strategies, coding, financial literacy, etc. Use free resources like YouTube, online courses, or ebooks. The internet offers an infinite pool of knowledge waiting for you to dive in. The more you learn, the better equipped you are to compete. Remember, the world is full of untapped opportunities and unexplored knowledge. Conclusion: success doesn't come easy. It demands effort, sacrifice, and relentless learning. Like Whitram, create an environment where growth thrives, pain is embraced, and distractions are eliminated. Follow these principles, and you'll set yourself on a path to becoming unstoppable.